Oh, here we go, Duchess. Oh, Duchess, this is compilation number 11, right, Duchess? I'm filming right now. Duchess, come here. Severe thunderstorm watch.
Leave her alone.
While severe weather may not be
We're going to see if we can get to the bottom of it today.
The president met with Canadian trade deal. Trump declared himself a tariff person.
severe thunderstorm watch number 424 has been issued.
424, 424, 4 a.m. Tuesday.
Nebraska, Butler, Cass, Lancaster, Sarpy, Saunders, and Seward.
That's a more low little bit counties. And there goes the tone, right, Duchess?
The National Weather Service in Omaha. Western Harrison County is southwestern.
See if it's true. See if they find anything.
Oh, here we go.
And that's very frustrating.
Duchess, it's severe thunderstorm warning.
It's hard to come up with an excuse. One of the excuses I heard was they were trying to find.
Duchess, severe thunderstorm warning. Duchess, where are you?
After 2 months.
Wow, that's incredible that that's what they were trying to say. But you're saying that they've given coordinates and literally no one has been there to check.
I can't say
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Cedar Bluffs, Inglewood, and Woodscliff around 7 p.m. Fort Calhoun around 7 p.m. Valley and Lashara around 7:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include and Flamingo Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa.
And Harrison, Iowa.
Severe
Here we go, Duchess. Severe thunderstorm warning on my TV. All right, let's go. Duchess, EAS.
Jeffrey, leave her alone.
Duchess, EAS.
southwestern Harrison County and southwestern Iowa, Washington County, southeastern Dodge County, northwestern Douglas County, northeastern Saunders County, until 7:45 p.m. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Cedar Bluffs. Arlington is 3 miles north of Cedar Bluffs, moving south at 35 miles per hour. Expected Valley and Woodstock miles per hour. Just quarter-size hail. This is a very indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Move to affect the roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Fremont, Blair, Arlington, Cedar Bluffs, Kennard, Inglewood, and Woodscliff around 7 p.m. Around 7:10 p.m. Valley and Lashara around 7:15 p.m. Severe thunderstorms include Bennington, Colon, and Flamingo Lake. your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Dodge, Douglas, Saunders, and Washington, and Harrison, Iowa. Winds in
Harrison, Iowa.
area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remember.
Here we go, Duchess. Another one.
The National Weather Service Southwestern
Increasing horror and anxiety in Tehran and
You, Jeffrey, don't bother her when she's eating.
Okay.
How would you like if somebody came up to you and said, Jeffrey, are you done eating? Jeffrey, are you done
He's
eating?
recording you.
Okay? It doesn't matter. You just make sure that you leave her alone when she's eating. You don't want to be bothered when you eat.
miles per hour with gusts and quarter size hail.
Telex could be right
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Omaha.
Sunday at 9 on CNN.
Boys Town, Benson, and Florence around 7:25 p.m. Headley Airfield and Zorinsky Lake around 7:30 p.m. Miller, Carter Lake, Town, Exarban, and Shilko around 7:30
Oh no.
Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include northwestern Council Bluffs, Ralston, Greta, La Vista, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, South Omaha, West
Read it.
Lake, Bellevue, Papillion, and Walnut Creek Recreation Area. People attending Charles Schwab Field should seek safe shelter immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 47 and 55. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. For your protection, move to an...
Oh no! He cut it off. Epic fail.
The National Weather Service in Omaha...
Paul cannot read it. Epic fail. Brief tornadoes. That's not a good sign.
Southwestern Iowa.
Right here. Here we go. It pops up right up. Pops up here.
Eosinophilic asthma taken once every 8 weeks. Fasenra is not for sudden breathing problems.
Oh,
Serious allergic reactions
Duchess,
are
come here.
swelling of your face, mouth, tongue, or trouble breathing. Don't stop your asthma treatments without talking with your doctor. Tell your doctor if your asthma worsens or you have a parasitic infection. Headache and sore throat may occur. Ask your doctor if Fasenra is right for you.
Duchess, EAS. Come here. EAS. Come here.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Sarpy County, southeastern Washington County, Douglas County, southeastern Saunders County, and
Come here.
At 7:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fort Calhoun to 3 miles northwest of Flanagan Lake to 2 miles southeast of Colon, moving south at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a
Here we go.
indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to
Come here,
vehicles is
Duchess.
expected.
Emergency alert
Damage
system.
to roofs, siding, and trees.
Come here, Duchess.
Storms will be near Omaha, Bennington, Elkhorn, Valley, Utan, Waterloo, Meade, Flanagan Lake, and Standing Bear Lake around 7:20 p.m.
Come on, Duchess. Come here.
And Florence around 7:25 p.m. Headley Airfield and Zorinsky Lake around 7:30 p.m.
Come here. Emergency alert system.
Town, Exarban, and Shilko around 7:35 p.m. Other Other locations in the
Come
path
on,
of these severe
Duchess.
thunderstorms include northwestern Council Bluffs, Ralston, Gretna, La Vista, Prairie Queen Recreation Area, South Omaha, Ware Span Lake, Bellevue,
Duchess.
Papillion, and Walnut Creek Recreation Area. People attending Charles Schwab Field should seek safe
Come on,
shelter
Duchess.
immediately. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29
Come on,
between
Duchess.
mile markers 47 and 55. Interstate 80
Come
in
on.
Iowa between
Come on,
mile
Duchess.
markers 1 and 4. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 432 and 454. For your protection, move to
See, Duchess? 3 tornadoes.
located along a line extending
Here we
from
go,
2
it just pops
miles
up.
southwest of Modale to 3 miles northeast
Let's
of
see here.
Arlington
One
to
pops
3
up.
miles north
The
of
town's
Cedar
going to
Bluffs,
starts
moving
in
south
about
at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
Some big time thunderstorms across the east this weekend on Thursday. Look at Thursday's high temperatures. We got 92 in Philly, 92 in DC, Waukesha,
here.
Metro, 95 in Raleigh, 92 in
This is for my county.
I think maybe there's a scenario.
Duchess, this is for my county.
In the next couple days,
See, it pops
maybe
up.
in a week or so,
Come on,
Ukraine
Duchess.
would agree
EAS.
to some sort of negotiated settlement to get us back to a point where they are not going to continue to develop a nuclear weapon.
Come on.
And we can do it in a way that's verifiable.
Come here. Emergency alert system.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ernest.
Maximum strikes by Israel and Iran tonight. Also, President Trump, as we said, leaving the G7 summit early, heading back
Come
to the
on.
White House, where he'll meet with his
Come
national
on.
security team. My
Come
conversation
on,
with Benny
Duchess.
Gantz, the chairman of the
Yes.
Democratic Unity Party and a former defense minister.
Walnut Creek Recreation Area around 7:45.
including sections of West Virginia. And we don't want to see more rain there. Unfortunately, this week will bring more chances. By Thursday evening, now we've got that better chance of more widespread thunderstorms for
Come on, Duchess.
but coastal areas throughout the beaches.
See these brief tornadoes?
Interstate 80 in Nebraska between
And
mile
again.
markers 411 and 439.
See what
Between
happened 2
mile
times?
markers 452 and 454. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Nebraska.
See, it cut off 2 times in a row.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until